Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to remove this glove box here on a Chevy Trailblazer. So let's go ahead and get started. To complete this, all you're going to need is a ratchet or like an extension with a screwdriver handle, because some of those spots you might need it. If you are just going to go with a ratchet, you might want to use a little extension. If not, if you can have both of these, it helps. And then for sockets, you're going to need either a 9/32 or a 7mm. Either one will work, but this is pretty much all you need to remove the glove box. If you go ahead and open your glove box, you won't be able to pull it all the way down because it's held on by a clip. And I'll show you right here. This little guy right here. Now these are spring mounted, so you can just grab it, close that a little bit, put your finger in here, and you can raise that out of the way. And if you lower it, or actually raise it out of the way, then you can lower your glove box and pull it down. And then once we lower it completely, now you can see the screws that are holding it in place, the three. There's one here, and one here. And as we remove those three, then you'll be able to remove this glove box. And if you wanted to remove it for anything, if you needed to work in here, if you needed to replace it, whatever the case may be, that's what it is there. So let's go ahead and load the socket onto the ratchet, and let's go ahead and get these off so we can drop this. And now we've gone ahead and removed it. It's as easy as that. And now, whether you, like I said, if you need to work in here or replace it, whatever the case may be, this is out of the way. Now to put it back in, you would pretty much follow the same process. Line it up, go ahead and put your screws back in it, put it back in place, and then put the little spring latch that holds it up. So let's go ahead and put it back in and we'll wrap it up. Now that we're ready to slide the glove box up, just want to show you here from underneath. This is that little hook that holds it from falling forward. You can see it's spring mounted there, so you can pull it. So I'm going to go ahead, we're going to pull this up, slide that back a little bit, and then release it once we get it in place, and that'll hold it in. Raise that up right here. Everything's put back in. This little stopper has been put on. So that's it. Well, this pretty much wraps up this video on how to remove the glove box from a Chevy Trailblazer. I hope this video was informative for you. I hope it helped you out with any projects you're working on. Please send me any questions and comments. I would love to hear from you. And as always, I appreciate all the support. So please like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.